Hey, this is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to look at a 2026 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. So on the back of this 330 Outrage, you're powered with twin 400 Mercury V10s. This boat has a range of around 390 nautical miles, a nice cruise around 35, 37 miles per hour, and a top speed over 55, which is nice. Starting here at the transom for some features. Got a nice freshwater rinse down. Swim ladder stowed under here. You got a large live well here. This boat is equipped with two live wells. You got one at the transom and one under your aft facing seat here. You got no shortage of rod holders really. So you've got a bunch on the transom, your starboard and port side gunwales. You got your rocket launchers, and this boat is equipped and does come with outriggers. Another nice touch, you got two very large fish boxes here. These are macerated. Being in the Long Island area, you know, you could fit a couple yellowfin in here, some medium-sized bluefin, and plenty of striped bass. Another nice feature on this boat, when you're running offshore, or you're just going out for the night, this is going to be one of your most comfortable spots on the boat for any guests. This is, you know, two across here. You got two more people over there. You could have your table sitting here and you could have a nice interaction and enjoy the boat here. Are stowed in the bilge here, which I always like to show of the Boston Whalers of how nice and clean their rigging is. So you've got placement here for your two 5-gallon Boston Whaler buckets. You got A-side finish all in the bilge here, which is nice. Your batteries are fully aft, and this is where your table is stored for your cockpit area. Point out again, your aft facing seat does convert, so you could have your drinks, a prep station, you know, prepare tackle, things like that, or just simply a nice food and entertaining prep station there. Let's walk up the starboard side of the boat, take a look at the helm. So you got two nice large Simrad screens, all of your important controls on your rocker switches here. Got a nice dry storage and your VHF above there. This boat is equipped with joysticks, so maneuver and docking, again, is a breeze. The entrance to our head is on the starboard side of the boat. Come down here, you got a sink to the front. Your head and dive ladder stowed in here as well. You also got nice storage in the back. Right now, the short power cord and some miscellaneous parts are back there. And you do have a nice window above for ventilation. So here at the bow of the boat, again, plenty of rod holders going all the way around. You got a very large coffin box here. So your bow table will be stored under here. Again, your aft cockpit table in the bilge back there. You got room to store your rods here. The tips of the rods will go into the head area. You got more storage under here. So typically, you know, you could put fish in here and things like that, but I always like to put maybe some dry goods in this area. You got access to your windlass, which as always is operated from the helm, but if you so choose, you do have the capability to run it from the bow. If you're interested in this 2026 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.